To schedule preventative maintenance or to not schedule preventative maintenance? That is the question. This GalcoTV video will provide an answer, as we'll be showing you how to create a preventative maintenance checklist so you can better monitor the components most in need of repair and minimize your downtime. Creating a checklist that involves regularly scheduled inspections, scheduling consistent service cycles, monitoring for not only broken, obsolete, or faulty components, can not only drastically cut down on the risk of system or application failures, but it can maximize your efficiency and uptime. The most important areas of preventative maintenance planning for your facility are machines, material handling equipment, facility infrastructure, network, and data systems. As we covered in our previous Preventative Maintenance Tech Tip video, the most common components in need of preventative maintenance are variable frequency drives, programmable logic controllers, sensors, actuators, and control systems. By being proactive and monitoring specific components that could lead to a very costly downtime, you can simplify the process of repairs or part replacements by knowing the specific cause of the system failure. Want to learn more about creating a preventative maintenance checklist and plan for your facility? Contact our technical experts at Galco.com or call us at 866-865-8929 to get started today.